Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised due to due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you all the news about the Dogelonmars cryptocurrency. Pets of Elon announces $POE token pre-sale is now live. Dubai, UAE, April 8, 2022, Globe Newswire. Today, they announced that the long-awaited POE token pre-sale is available now. $POE token is the original currency of the Pets of Elon project. Pets of Elon is a cryptocurrency project located on the Ethereum blockchain, ETH, and Binance Smart Chain, BSC, token called $POE, that users can currently purchase via pre-sale. Whatever will be purchased during the pre-sale can only be accessed at the end of the sale. With the highly anticipated pre-sale, users can buy $POE at a fixed rate of 0.028 United States dollars per 1 POE during the pre-sale. The pre-sale will only support ETH and BNB. All $POE purchase can be accessed at the end of the pre-sale. The token has a total supply of 1 billion, and only 15% of it will be available during the pre-sale. The POE pre-sale is a very small line, and that corresponds to sellers taking charge of the current price momentum. Bollinger Bands tightened, and that is a sign of sharp price volatility. Although ETH was trading sideways, prices could either swing up or down sharply over the next trading sessions. The relative strength index was below the half line, indicating more number of sellers. Elon Musk. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge. Tesla, Nasdaq TSLA, CEO Elon Musk on Monday said he still owns personal stakes in Bitcoin, BTC United States dollar, Ethereum, at the United States dollar, and Dogecoin, Doge United States dollar, and isn't planning to sell, according to a Twitter post. Looking at intraday cryptocurrency price action, Bitcoin, BTC United States dollar minus 0.4%, is flat at $38.8K, Ethereum inches lower to $2.56K, and Dogecoin, Doge United States dollar minus 1.6%, edges down to $0.11. YTD, all three digital assets are down double-digit percentage points. Musk's remarks came as part of a string of tweets questioning the level of inflation over the next few years. He agreed with MicroStrategy, Nasdaq MSTR, CEO Michael Saylor's view that United States dollars consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Musk responded, "It is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. Remember consumer price inflation in the U.S. surged 7.9% YY in January, the highest level in 40 years. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000192, a low price of $0.00000186, and an expected price of $0.00000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.00000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.00000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.00000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.00000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.00000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.00000600 and $0.00000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.00000600 to $0.00000709 for 2027. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelon Mars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.00001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.00000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelon Mars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As DApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.00001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.00001543 with a low price. The level is $0.00001318.